Imagine your gaming setup reacting with the pixel animation, custom text, or even memes right on your desk. In this video, I am going to do unboxing and testing of Lecflow Smart LED Pixel Display. And trust me, this little panel might level up your entire desk setup. Let's jump into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to Unbox and Beyond, and my name is Srini. This channel is all about first impression and overview of the product. So if you like such kind of content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Today I have got an interesting product that every gamer, streamer or desk setup junkie will love to have it. The Lecflow Smart Gaming LED Pixel Display is basically a customizable LED matrix panel that can show animations, notifications, or even your own text. You can put it on a desk or hang it on a wall. Before we dive into too much of detail, a small disclaimer: this video is made in collaboration with Lecflow, and the team from Lecflow did send me this unit for testing and review purpose. Let's unbox it and do the setup and see if it's worth adding to your desk setup. Well, the packaging is pretty neat and clean, and I like the way Lecflow has taken into the consideration by providing a good, strong box. Inside the box, you will get an LED display, a user guide, and a USB Type-C cable. With the first impression, the build quality of the LED matrix feels solid. It has got a nice matte finish, a compact design, and definitely this gadget has a premium vibe. Now let me show you how to do the setup. The setup is quite simple. Connect the USB cable, power it on, and download the iDotMatrix app from Google Play Store or Apple Store. And then turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and allow all the permissions, and then click on device connections to add the Bluetooth device. So once you connect, this is how the apps looks like. The app is super easy to use and there are different options to play around. Just for an example, click on the graffiti icon to add your own design. You can draw anything. It can be text or a picture or a simple design. And also you can add different bunch of colors. Not only this, you can also add your pics from your phone album, and also you can save the art in My Collections. The app is super easy to connect and also to use. There are different bunch of options available to play around. The LEDs are sharp, color pops up, and brightness is strong even in the bright daylight. Not only this, there are varieties of presets animation also available, which you can also try it out. With that, you can create your own art, GIFs or text. The Lecflow Smart LED Gaming Panel display has a lot of usage, such as graffiti, creative animations. You can add your own text. You can use it as a digital clock or lamp. You can use it as a stopwatch, countdown, or a scorecard. There is no limit on the usage of this device. It all depends upon your creative vision. It can act as a mini information display, and also it can sync with music. It is not only perfect for gamers but also for streamers who want alerts or custom text during the stream. So here what I love about this product and what could have been better. So first of all, for the pros, it is easy to set up and has tons of customization. It can sync with music, and I especially like that feature. It is bright and colorful, and also it adds a personality to your desk setup. Well, coming to the things which I feel could have been better. For the app, I have seen there was a bit of lag in some of the cases, but not every time. And also the app could use more pre-built templates. During the text, what I observed, there are limited fonts available. It would have been better if there are different types of fonts available for the Pixel display. It needs to be plugged in all the time as it is not battery powered. It would have been better if this device also come with battery power. Also, the stand for this display is not that great. So my thoughts, whether you should get this LED display or not. Well, if you're into gaming setups or streaming or just love customizing your desk, then I would say 100% yes. It's fun, functional, and definitely a conversational starter. And this one is staying at my desk. So let me know in the comments what animation would you put on your Pixel display first. So friends, check out my affiliated link in the description for Lecflow Smart LED Gaming Pixel Display. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're always notified whenever I upload a new video. From unbox to verdict, follow for the honest takes. Game on and stay charged. See you all in the next video.